How to fix Instagram not working on iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet. Launch your settings. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Click on the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you can do is offload the Instagram app. For that, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone storage. From here, find the option Instagram. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app, click on Uploading. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If the solution doesn't work, what you have to do is completely delete Instagram app. For that, click on the option of Delete app. You'll get the pop-up, click on delete for the confirmation. Once you delete the app, launch your app store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. Now you can give a fresh restart to your iPhone. For that, head towards the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. You'll get the slider, slide it to the right. With that, your phone will be turned off. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then again turn it back. If none of these solutions work, reset your iPhone. Click on the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset All Settings and go through the reset process. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix Instagram not working on iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.